Hey everyone, welcome back to Health Unleashed. Ever feel like you're running on empty even after a full night's sleep? You chug coffee, take naps, but that fatigue just won't quit. Well, guess what? The culprit might not be your Netflix binge habits. Today we're diving into the hidden reasons your energy's MIA and how to flip the switch. Meet your mitochondria, the tiny power plants in every cell. They turn food and oxygen into energy. But when they're sluggish, you're sluggish. The catch? Modern life is basically a mitochondria war zone. Let's break down the saboteurs. Stress isn't just a mood killer, it's an energy vampire. High cortisol, your stress hormone, literally diverts energy away from your cells. Think of it like your body's screaming, "We're under attack, save energy for emergencies." But if you're always stressed, your mitochondria get stuck in survival mode. Try this, breathe like a Navy SEAL. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 6. Just 5 minutes a day tells your body we're safe. Power up. Your cereal might be stealing your B1. This vitamin is crucial for converting food into fuel, but processed carbs and sugar drain it. Symptoms? Fatigue, brain fog, and feeling like a zombie after meals. Swap that muffin for a lentil salad. Your mitochondria will throw a party. Here's the deal. Eating sugary snacks all day is like jamming your cells' keyholes with gum. Eventually glucose can't get in, so your energy crashes. But you know, if you reverse it, you'll feel like a human Tesla battery. Next meal, start with avocado or eggs. It stabilizes blood sugar, so no more 3 p.m. couch coma. CoQ10 is your mitochondria's sidekick, but guess what? Aging, statins, and stress drain it. Low CoQ10 equals an energy crisis. The fix? Feast on organ meats, or if you're not into liver pate, try sardines or supplements. Pro tip, CoQ10 loves fat, so pair it with olive oil or avocado. Your liver isn't just for detoxing after margarita night, it's your metabolism's command center, honestly. But fatty liver and toxins slow it down, leaving you, well, just exhausted. Time for a liver love-up. Add a daily green smoothie. Yeah, your liver will thank you with energy dividends. Wait, don't cancel Starbucks yet, but if you're chugging espresso all day, you're hijacking your energy cycles. Caffeine masks fatigue, it doesn't fix it. Try tapering off after noon, all right? Better sleep equals better energy. Win-win! 3 quick tricks for you. Sparkling mineral water means bonus oxygen for your mitochondria. Walk after meals, it's like a blood sugar superhero, honestly. And hydrate smarter. Just add a pinch of salt to your water for better absorption. Fatigue isn't your fate. Small tweaks equal big energy gains. Try one tip this week and tag us. We'll cheer you on. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Until next time, stay unleashed.